Hey guys, I'm Danielle and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Danielle and I am a content creator and blogger over at basichousewife.com where I review subscription boxes, Amazon products, create shopping guides, gift guides, all of that kind of stuff. If you're looking for affordable items for yourself or others or thinking about one of the latest subscription boxes, then go check out my blog because I have tons of stuff for you over there. But today I am doing a haul from Amazon Prime Wardrobe Fall Sweater Edition. So if you aren't familiar with Prime Wardrobe, it is a service offered to all Amazon Prime members. And essentially it's a try before you buy service. So Amazon actually offers two different Prime Wardrobe services. First one is Amazon Prime Wardrobe Personal Shopper. It's a mouthful. That is essentially a service where you pay $4.99 per month. You fill out this long questionnaire about the types of clothes you wear, the type of style that you have, your sizing, your preferences, all of that stuff. And then a stylist over on the Amazon team actually puts together a little wardrobe for you that is then shipped to your house and you get 7 days to try on those items. Personal Shopper is really fun because there's that element of surprise to it, although it is really nice because you aren't completely surprised by the items that you get in your box each month. The stylist will actually send you their recommendations ahead of time and then you get to choose up to 8 items to receive. But then there's also just Prime Wardrobe, and that's what I'm reviewing today. So similar to Personal Shopper, Prime Wardrobe is a try before you buy service where you get to pick the items that you want to try on and have them sent to your house completely free of charge. So similar to Personal Shopper, you get 7 days to try on all of the products, and then you ship back anything you don't want and they charge you for anything you decide to keep. Even shipping is free and they include a return shipping label for you. Not all fashion and apparel items are available through Prime Wardrobe. So how you find the pieces that are eligible for Prime Wardrobe is that you just do like a simple search like fall sweaters, and then you go to the filter button and you scroll down and you should see a little checkbox for Prime Wardrobe eligible. And if you check that, it'll then populate all of the items that are available for you to try on. Another thing to keep in mind is just because the product is available on Prime Wardrobe does not mean that every single color and size variant will be. So sometimes that might determine what you can and cannot get. Literally anything that's available in the fashion and apparel categories should have options available for Prime Wardrobe. So I actually recently wrote a blog on what I thought were some of the best fall sweaters available through Prime Wardrobe. And I thought, how fun would it be to actually get a haul of some of these things to try on and see the quality for myself. So that's what I'm doing today. I am doing a fall sweater Amazon Prime Wardrobe haul. So for this particular haul, I think I got 7 sweaters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. 7 sweaters, which are all listed on a little invoice or packing slip that gets sent to you. And it also includes all of the prices. So you know that if you decide you want to keep anything, you know how much you're going to get charged. So with all that being said, let's open up my box, see what I got, because honestly, I don't really remember most of the items. But yeah, let's go. Just a heads up, I'm going to be sitting in a different location when I open the box. I don't think you care, but I ended up re-recording this intro because my lighting was just better here than it was over there, where I will be in the next portion of the video. So I don't think you care about that, but just figured I'd let you know. So here she is. She's a big one, filled with lots of fun sweaters. One thing to note is that when you do return pieces, everything has to be back in the original packaging. So make sure that you are keeping the clothing item with the bags when you are trying things on. This one is packaged really nicely, like folded really well. That is so cute. So this is a little turtleneck. It's got the perfect autumn colors. It's got like big billowy sleeves, which I'm really excited to try. Also, I will have links to all of the products featured down in the description below, and I will include like the price and the size that I ordered somewhere on the screen. This is just a really classic mock neck, oversized, crop sweater. That's a mouthful. But the quality actually looks really nice. I'm very excited for this. This is 100% my style. Something fluffy. Oh my gosh, this thing is so soft. It's like lightweight though, which is perfect because I have some other Sherpas like this that I just get so overheated in. But this one feels really nice. The Sherpa quality is very soft. I'm very surprised by this. So this one's a little sassy and not something that I would normally wear, but it's got like a peplum bottom and it does tie around the waist. You'll see that in a little bit, with like a really fun V front, V back. It's pretty heavy, but like in a good way, like a good quality sweater way. Again, packaged really nicely, well folded. There's tissue paper. It smells weird. Oh, I don't like how that smells. Nope. But it's really cute. It looks really cute. This sweater came in a million different prints and colors and just different variations. They didn't have a whole lot of options for the Prime wardrobe. So this wouldn't have been my first choice, but green is my favorite color. And so I figured I would try it, but it's got another turtleneck style, a little bit boxy, oversized, which I always enjoy because I love a good French tuck. And the quality feels great. It just has a really weird smell. But I mean, if you wash it, that'll go away. I hope. I apologize, my lighting is not great today. My ring light is dying and it's like so gloomy outside, but what can you do? So this one is from Amazon Essentials, which I feel like the quality is always a little bit better on the actual Amazon products. This is super cute. I almost feel like I could have sized down, but we'll see when we try it on. But just a really, really classic cardigan. It's thick, so this thing's gonna keep you nice and toasty. And lastly, I honestly didn't even remember ordering all these. Oh, the quality on this one feels great. So this is, again, just a big, oversized, very oversized sweater. I like that it has like the little cinched wrist detailing. I'm really into like this brown color. I don't know if it even like really suits me, but I think it's fun, like a good chocolate brown. So all right, hopefully my lighting is okay for you guys. So we're gonna try all these sweaters on and I will let you know what I think. Everything about this first sweater just screams fall. I love the loose, billowy sleeves. It is a perfect length for doing a little French tuck or tucking all the way around. I love the loose fitting turtleneck on top. Yeah, everything about this is super cozy and the quality is actually really great. I was really impressed by this one. So this is totally my style. It is just a simple, classic mock neck sweater. It is a perfect length. It's not cropped, but it's not long. It just falls right at the waistband and can be perfectly tucked in for a little French tuck if you want that. It does look kind of navy in this photo, but I promise you it is black. My jeans and the top are just very different tones of black. But yeah, overall the quality is super soft. It's cozy, it's stretchy, fit very true to size. This is definitely just a really great staple piece for a fall and winter wardrobe. This is probably one of the coziest Sherpa pullovers I've ever put on my body. I loved everything about it. The length was really nice. The sleeve length was great. It has a cozy little front pocket. Even the inside is lined with Sherpa, but it still felt like really lightweight and not too hot. Like sometimes Sherpas just feel heavy and they make me really overheated, but this one was perfect. I can see myself cozying up in this literally all winter long. This one is super out of my comfort zone, but it's so fun. I had to try it on. So this is just a really cute like peplum sweater. It has a detachable sash so you can tie it more off to the side, which is what I should have done. But it's fine. And the material is like nice and thick and heavy, but in like a good way. Like it just feels like a good quality sweater. You can pull these sleeves kind of off the shoulder a little bit more for a sassier look, or you can keep them up for something a little bit more modest. The back is really cute with the V cutout. I could totally see this being worn for like a date night, a girls' night out, a holiday party. Yeah, I just think that this is really fun. And like I said, the quality on this was really good. So I would definitely recommend if this is your style. So, like I said, this one smelled really weird, and this just wasn't a win for me. The fit was really odd. The sleeves were too short. The head hole was really small. I almost took like my whole eyebrow off just trying to get into this thing. I did order true to size, but I think if I were to reorder, I would go up like 2 sizes to get a baggier feel. But other than that, the quality, like the sweater quality, felt really good. It looks well made, and I really like the colors, so that's a win, but this is going to be a no for me. This is such a classic cardigan. I love the color. The material is fantastic quality. It's kind of a thicker sweater material without feeling heavy. But yeah, it's just, I mean, you can wear this with literally everything. I think it looks especially cute tucked in. Ignore my like seafoam green sports bra poking out underneath, but it's got 3 buttons, and yeah, it's just a really classic piece to have in a fall wardrobe. So I would definitely recommend this one. So this is just your classic oversized sweater for fall. I ordered true to size, and you can see that it's definitely an oversized fit, which I love. It is a great length, so it could be worn with leggings. You could tuck it in if you want a more like fitted look, I suppose. I also love that it has like the big billowy sleeves that taper into like a fitted sleeve at the wrist. It's just like a really pretty detail, and it felt a little cozier. And the quality on this was great. It's a really nice, stretchy, thick material. I really love this one. So that was everything in my Prime wardrobe fall sweater haul. I actually really liked a few of the pieces. A couple weren't really my favorites, but I mean, that's to be expected. But I have to say, I'm honestly so surprised with the quality of all these items. I've done a few Prime wardrobe hauls before and personal shopper hauls, and this has been like the most consistent for quality. 6 out of the 7 pieces were all really great in my opinion. So yeah, if you want to check out Prime Wardrobe for yourself or any of these pieces in particular, I will have links down in the description. Otherwise, I hope that was as fun for you as it was for me, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!